Okay, Yehuda, Mr. Yehuda, this is the property, 254 Fomel Street. Uh, as you can hear, the tenant are over there, and this unit over here is empty. So this is the front of the property. This is the front of the property. Okay, and once you enter, say front porch. Um, Here's some paint, nice. Um, like the windows. In the front porch you have this wood, uh, but that's okay, I guess. It's up to you. Those are vinyl window, same thing. Um, so this is the property here, and it's empty, of course. I don't. Okay, so some lighting upstairs. There's the stairs. I guess this is the dining room or living room, and this is a continue of it. It can definitely little high ceiling, not 8 foot. Look at that. You have a half a bathroom over here. And you turn on the light. Okay. Need some, solid of what you planning to do on it, of course. Some rehab maybe. This say closing here. There's a kitchen in there. This is the dining room. This is the living room or the family room, and that's the living room. That's what it is. Okay, which is huge. Okay, it's good. Of course, I won't count on that. Appliances. And it seems like I have two ways to go up. This is the back of it, which I don't like it. That was open. Okay. That's the basement. Okay. Hold on, sir. I'm sorry. So you can come in through here, and I guess you can go the other way around too. Yep. So it has a double stairs. Definitely the wood needs some work. You can come this way or you can come this way. You need some little improvement. There's a bedroom in here. Okay. A bedroom with a closet. Okay. Hardwood doors. And that's bedroom number one. There's another bedroom here, okay, with another closet. As you can see, hardwood floor too. That's a plus. Another bedroom, of course, with another closet, hardwood floor again. All this floor can be refinished, I guess. You can quote that. I can suggest you a person that I have. He's very good at it, and he's very cheap for the job. There's a bathroom over here, of course. There's another bedroom here with a closet, of course. And the attic is upstairs. It's condemned, as you can see. You have to open it, go and check it out. It's an investment property. I think it's a great property for investment. I hope you like this video so far on what I show you. And it's up to you what move you want to take now. This is the property here in at 254 Former Street. It's all hardwood floor. A lot of potential if you want to invest some money on rehabbing it. High ceilings. There's a lot of potential you can do here, definitely. As for the rent on this area, we can do some searching, and we can see what is the rent on this area. Okay. And this is it for now. I'm not gonna even bother telling the tenant because you're basically not here. So I'm pretty sure, not 100% sure. I mean, we can make an appointment, but it's most of the time what is on one side is in the other one. So I'm thinking it's a two-family. So I'm thinking basically it's a duplicate on this side and this side. I'm not sure, but we can. I mean, once we set them up an appointment for you to see it in person, you can definitely see the other side. If this is something that you wanna follow, okay. So so you have it there. Please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to make another appointment and personal appointment so you can come and see. Okay.